If you like testing your luck in the ship's casino, but don't like that smell of smoke every time you walk in, then there are some changes coming to Carnival Cruise Lines that you're going to want to know about. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So you walk into the ship's casino and you just get hit in the face by that smell of smoke. For non-smokers, this can be a complete deal breaker and cause you to just leave the casino and not spend a single dime there, which is something the cruise lines don't necessarily want. But Carnival Cruise Lines has come up with a solution. Now, first of all, why do cruise ships even still allow smoking in the casinos? The simple answer: money. Studies do show that people spend more money and gamble more when they are allowed to smoke in the casino, and this is what currently drives cruise ships' policy as far as smoking goes, and it's purely financial. But Carnival Cruise Lines has decided to add non-smoking casinos to 3 of their cruise ships. The Carnival Breeze, the Carnival Dream, and the Carnival Magic will be the first 3 ships to receive the non-smoking casino. So located down on Deck 4, there is an extremely large conference room on those 3 ships. Now, this conference room is not used very much, mostly just for crew meetings. So what Carnival has done is converted those conference rooms into the non-smoking casinos. They will have the same gaming options as the regular casino, and there will be no bar in the casino, but it will still offer bar service. In a statement from John Heald, who is the Carnival Cruise Line brand ambassador, he said, "While half of the casino is going to remain smoking on all of our ships, on those 3 ships for now, we have designed a non-smoking casino." Now, if you picture those ships, if you go onto Deck 4, there was a conference room where we would hold conferences. But those conference rooms, which are very large on Breeze, Dream, and Magic, have now been converted into a non-smoking casino. So those people who always say to me, "We don't like the smoke in the casino," and I totally respect and understand that, we know that smokers gamble. And that's why, if we thought the revenue was going to remain the same if we took smoking away, however, it won't, which is why we haven't. I want to be straight here that we have to look at both sides. We can't make the casinos non-smoking if we don't have good onboard revenue. We can't keep the prices of the cruise the most affordable in the industry, and that's why we're doing this. So, like I said, again, the biggest reason they have smoking in the casinos and the casino bar is purely for financial reasons. Carnival says that the revenues are higher if they allow smoking in those areas. But now, with the addition of a non-smoking casino down on Deck 4, we will actually be able to get an answer. Which of the 2 casinos is more profitable? Is the smoking casino more profitable, or is the non-smoking casino going to be more profitable? And Carnival will probably make a decision from there. If the non-smoking casino is popular, is generating a profit, this is something they will possibly add throughout the entire fleet. So if you like to gamble and you are a non-smoker or don't want that smell of smoke around you, if you're going on one of those 3 ships, then head on down to Deck 4, gamble in that casino, bring that casino's revenues up, and get them to spread non-smoking casinos across the entire fleet. All right, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.